DMoose Fitness abstraps are the perfect supporting tool of abdominal exercise equipment, getting you towards that amazing six-pack you've always dreamt of. Tone your obliques, enhance your body's flexibility, and expand your motion range while maintaining a healthy back. DMoose Fitness abstraps are ideal for someone looking to get in a quick and efficient workout in the middle of a busy schedule. With these hanging abstraps, you can practice a variety of low-impact exercises that are highly effective in toning, tightening, and strengthening your core. Made from superior quality, highly durable tear-resistant materials with thick arm padding for added comfort and sturdy stitching, this abstrap set was designed to withstand the test of intense workout routines. Featuring heavy-duty nylon straps and strong steel carabiners, ensuring stability and added safety during pull-ups. Integrated padded elbow sleeve for maximum workout comfort. Easily attaches to all standard pull-up bars, chin-up bars, and multi-gym systems. Advanced tear-resistant materials suitable for home and commercial use. Our fitness gear line is designed to push your limits while ensuring optimal protection and health. DMoose Fitness products ensure top quality durability and maximize your results. With better equipment, you'll have a better workout.